Mustafa John. Thank you for taking us to places unseen. Mustafa John, exploring the world, living the dream.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूँ सैयद मुस्तफ़ा जान और आप देख रहे हैं जान स्टोरी। आज हमारा बैंकॉक में तीसरा दिन है। तो मैं और इकराम निकले हैं नाश्ते के लिए, कुछ चीज़ें लेने के लिए। महमूद और माजिद कमरे में बैठे हैं। إذا كانت تفوز
Hello everyone, I am Mustafa John. Welcome to John Studio. This is the 5th episode of the Thailand series. Today we will visit different places in Bangkok. First of all, we need to book a taxi. Our first stop is the Naeem Khan Pashtun Gemstone Showroom. Naeem Khan is a well-respected and honorable man. He is known for his kindness and generosity. He has a deep love for his nation and his people. He is a patriotic and nationalist person. His contributions to the Pashtun community are highly appreciated. He is extremely loved by the Pashtun nation. His passion for preserving Pashtun culture is remarkable. We have arrived at Naeem Khan's showroom. The moment you step in, you can feel the rich history and tradition. The showroom is beautifully decorated with stunning gemstones. Naeem Khan warmly welcomes us with his signature hospitality. His smile reflects his deep love and respect for his guests. He is a broad-minded person who values diversity. His knowledge about gemstones is truly impressive. He has been in this business for many years. Every gem in his showroom tells a unique story. He passionately explains the significance of each stone. The collection here is absolutely breathtaking. From emeralds to rubies, every stone has its own charm. Naeem Khan ensures that all his gemstones are of top quality. He takes great pride in offering the finest gems to his customers. Many people from around the world visit his showroom. His reputation in the gemstone industry is outstanding. He believes that gemstones carry positive energy and historical value. The designs here are truly unique and elegant. His showroom reflects a perfect blend of tradition and modern craftsmanship. It is fascinating to see such a wide variety of precious stones. Naeem Khan is a visionary man with a deep understanding of his culture. He always speaks highly of the Pashtun traditions. His love for his nation is visible in his words and actions. He strongly believes in unity and brotherhood among Pashtuns. He is not just a businessman, but also a cultural ambassador. His showroom serves as a bridge between heritage and the modern world. He respects every individual regardless of their background. His personality is a perfect blend of wisdom and kindness. He has a strong network of friends and well-wishers. He is a role model for young Pashtuns who want to achieve greatness. Visiting Naeem Khan's showroom has been a truly inspiring experience. We have learned a lot about gemstones and their significance. More than that, we have witnessed the greatness of a true patriot. His showroom is not just a business, it's a legacy. We are grateful for his time and hospitality. Our next destination in Bangkok is waiting for us. Bangkok is full of surprises and we have more places to explore. Stay with us as we continue our journey in this beautiful city. Thank you for watching and being a part of this adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.
तो तजीब किस्म का जो है वो दाग टाइगर दे रंगों दुनिया दे مصور نومي كده ملا مصوري باشي كده مرموم كي يمدا سيدري كي يمدا مكانو كي يمدا وين مكاني
ويجي فترة وهم أداكي في ذاتنا وكل زمان ليك قبل من هنا مش بوايب هر سهر مكانو لقم ما ذكر مكانو لقم سده كانو زمان نشفى درب كانو لقم د اسمان سترګې د کاڼو د جانان داسې پکاڼي چې د کاڼو د حتاج د نظر په
دا کوم څنګه کېده انبر کنه دا انبر مشک انبر زیادتر جو ہے وہ مارکیٹ ہے कमाते होंगे क्योंकि 50,000 तो कराया है।
हाँ भैया ऐसा नहीं है, कुछ सीधे हो जाए तो एक दिन में ही 30,000 चलेगा।
और ये मेरे ख्याल में हॉस्टल भी है इनके पास. कैन यू स्पीक उर्दू हिंदी?
हिंदी
आपके पास हॉस्टल भी है?
हॉस्टल भी है.
अच्छा, तो रूम किस तरह, हम 4 बेड अगर लेना चाहते तो कितने किस तरह देंगे?
एक रूम का एक बेड का 200 बात है.
एक बेड का?
हाँ.
तो एक बेड का 200 बात है.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
और 200 बात एक बेड का 200 बात. और फिर आपने ऐसा भी होता है दो टाइम का खाना खा के 500 बात.
2 टाइम
2 टाइम का खाना भी मिलेगा 500 बात.
500 बात. ठीक. इकरामा, जैसे मैंने हो सकता है कि मैं कमरे का विजिट करूँ. काम हॉस्टल लेता इकरामा, काम हॉस्टल. We are going.
Oh my God. I can't believe what I'm witnessing. These parents are actually convincing their children to eat scorpions and snakes. The kids, just 10 and 13 years old, look hesitant, their faces filled with confusion and reluctance. They clearly don't want to eat these creepy creatures, but their parents keep insisting, saying, "Don't worry, eating it is good." The younger child looks at the deep-fried scorpion on a stick with wide, terrified eyes, while the older one nervously pokes at a grilled snake. Their hands tremble as they slowly pick up the strange food, their expressions showing a mix of fear and disgust. I can't understand why their parents are so eager for them to eat this. Are they trying to make them brave, or is this some kind of tradition? The mother claps her hands and laughs as the 13-year-old takes a tiny, hesitant bite, his face immediately scrunching up in discomfort. The father nods approvingly, encouraging them to chew and swallow, as if this is a completely normal meal. I'm absolutely shocked. Why would anyone force their children to eat something they clearly don't enjoy? Watching this unfold, I can't help but wonder, is this about courage, culture, or just a bizarre challenge they want their kids to overcome?
طرف ترازي
دا چې کومه دی کنه دا ډېر غټ برج دی او دا دوی دی یو نه دی یو ګوره د دې ځای باندې دا نه دی دا دا سړک دا سیده باغې باندې وخته.
So stay tuned, and don't forget to join me in the next adventure. Until then, take good care of your health and always be kind to the people around you. Show love and care to those who live near you because small acts of kindness make the world a better place. Thank you for watching, and I truly appreciate your support. Keep in touch with me, and I will see you in the next video with more exciting experiences. Take care of yourself, stay happy, and keep exploring new places. Goodbye for now, and see you soon in the next video.